Hello and welcome. Today you're going to discover Cisco Mobility Express. Cisco Mobility Express allows us to provision a network of 100 access points in less than 3 minutes. What you're going to need: a Cisco access point with Mobility Express enabled into it, a Cisco access switch with power over Ethernet, a cable, and a mobile device. Once you have the hardware in place, you need to take the cable, plug it to the PoE switch interface on the access point, and put it back into your own switch. Once this is finalized, take your mobile device and start using the Cisco wireless app. That's it. Once you have physically connected your access point to the switch, what you're going to need to do is to go to your wireless network, connect to the Cisco Air Provision. Once connected, go to the Cisco wireless app. From the Cisco wireless app, go to provisioning, create a username and a password, case sensitive password. Give your system a name, the country where your Mobility Express controller is sitting within, which is in our case is United Arab Emirates, your time zone, which is Muscat, Abu Dhabi, and save the configuration. Give your network a management IP address. In my case, I'm giving it 192.168.77.10. Subnet mask, prefix 24, and a default gateway. Remember that you should be connected to a DHCP server for client connectivity. Now, configuring wireless SSIDs. I'm going to start with an employee SSID network, giving it a WBA2 authentication with a passphrase of Cisco 123. Confirm again the password, which is case sensitive. And I'm using my native VLAN for that. I'm going to add a guest network access as well, where its security is going to be WBA2 with a passphrase of Cisco 123. Assign it the same employee VLAN ID. It's not the best security practices, but just for the sake of this demonstration, I'm gonna go with it. Save your configuration. I forgot to give in SSID for my guest access, which I'm going to call it guest test. And save your configuration. In the advanced settings, you have RF parameter optimization in case you are using data and voice traffic. You can optimize your RF settings. In my case, I'm keeping it to the default, which is a typical data network, and I'm going to save it. Once you are finalized with this, you just submit the configuration to your controller, and you are up and ready to work. Once this configuration is done, you can add more access points to your networks. And I'm going to show you, once I add another access point to my network, you just pull down all the configuration from the main controller, and this configuration is valid for up to 100 access points. Save and go. Now, once you have finalized the provisioning of your first access point, you can add any other Cisco access point with Mobility Express into it, up to 100 access points, and the configuration will get replicated automatically, and it will show on your management interface using the Cisco wireless app. I'll show you the same in the next video. Finished connecting new access points to the same switching infrastructure. Go back to your Cisco wireless LAN, connect to your management IP address, give the same previously configured password, log into your network, check on your APs. Here you realize that I have added additional 2 access points to my network. Through the app, you can get information about connected clients. You can get an overview about your RF summary. You can get more information about your access points and its connectivity, number of clients connected, used traffic and the same, and channel utilization. Well, what else can you do in less than 3 minutes? Brush your teeth, maybe book an air ticket, but provisioning a network of 100 access points in less than 3 minutes, This is the power of Cisco. Thank you.